There's the second tower.
Command for ignition, oxygen.
Launch command has been issued. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Engine turbo pump at flight speed. Engine at maximum thrust. Lift off.
And there is liftoff of the Soyuz MS-10 to the International Space Station, carrying Nik Heyg and Alexei Ovchinin to the orbital complex. This again is Nik Heyg's first time to launch to space, and Alexei Ovchinin's second.
One copy. Everything is good on board, and we are feeling well. Copy. Lock one.
Hearing good first stage performance for the Soyuz, delivering 930,000 pounds of thrust from its 4 boosters and single engine. Again, the first stage of the Soyuz measures 68 feet in length and 24 feet in diameter. It's burning liquid fuel for the first 2 minutes and 6 seconds of flight.
"60 seconds into the flight. The pressure in the chamber is nominal. Lock one. Copy. Everything is well on board. They're feeling well. Thank you. Copy.
Everything proceeding as intended for today's flight. Now just a little over a minute into it. The velocity of the Soyuz is about 1,100 miles per hour. View here of the crew inside the Soyuz, now making their way to the International Space Station. Nik Heyg there at the top of the screen and Alexei Ovchinin at the bottom.
Lock one. Copy. Everything is well on board. The crew is feeling well. Copy.
View here of the Soyuz making its way into space. Everything looking good, proceeding nominally.
Inaudible.
And we have the escape tower for the Soyuz now jettisoned.
Авария носителя, да?
Is it emergency booster 2 minutes 45 seconds? The emergency, the failure of the booster.
Авария носителя.
Failure of the booster.
Есть БС. Есть БС.
BS, yes, BS.
Разделение.
Separation.
Питание рук включаю. Да?
Enable power.
Так.
190 seconds into the flight, Soyuz traveling about 4,700 miles per hour.
Don't be in a hurry. Бурлаки, copy.
По ощущениям находимся в невесомости.
We are in weightlessness, according to our sensations.